Hello friends, we've seen over the last 3-4 months significant volatility in the markets. Obviously, it's something which we expected because globally the high inflation caused by high prices of commodities had caused central banks to start increasing the interest rates. So after almost 15 years of interest rates being low, we are in a situation where interest rates are increasing, and if you look at even the numbers which came out recently in America, in Europe, the inflation numbers there are at a 30 or 40-year high. So we are in an environment where inflation is going to be high and interest rates are going to probably be high. But the good news is that every adversity provides an opportunity, and we do believe that any correction in the market is a good opportunity for you to relook at your asset allocation. And if your allocation allows or provides for increase in equity allocations, you have various products which we have brought on the passive side. As you are aware, most investors are looking at a mix of active and passive as far as their investment universe is concerned. And on the passive side, in the last couple of years, we have created a bouquet which will allow you to participate in broad market indices, in sectors, in themes, and more importantly in smart beta. In that chronology, we are very happy to launch the ICICI Prudential Nifty 200 Momentum 30 ETF. And for those investors who do not have a demat account or want to participate through the mutual fund route, we are launching the ICICI Prudential Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund. So both these options or both these NFOs are going on, and you can participate if you have a demat account in the ETF. If you don't have a demat account or want to participate through the mutual fund route, you can participate in the index fund. Now, what is this concept all about? Momentum, as the word suggests, it is about those companies which are doing well in the recent past in terms of their price performance. So as the name of the index or the ETF suggests, out of the top 200 names which form part of the Nifty 200, 30 securities will be picked up as part of the Momentum 30 ETF or the index fund. They being passive funds, they will mimic the index or they will try to replicate the index, and they will aim to deliver returns which are similar to the index. Now from that aspect, what does momentum mean? So friends, as the name suggests, every 6 months, this methodology will be done, and the 30 stocks which have shown momentum on a 6-month and 12-month basis will be selected by the index provider, and the ETF and the index fund will try to basically replicate and aim to provide you returns which are similar to the underlying ETF. Now, momentum as a concept, along with low volatility value, is part of the smart beta bouquet. And those investors who basically understand the concept can choose to participate in this index and ETF in the manner that in the long run, this particular factor will be able to help you in your long-term wealth creation journey. So friends, which type of investor can invest in this index or ETF? We've seen a growing trend among investors to invest in smart beta or factor-based indices, and we do believe that momentum as a concept is something which is popular globally as well as it is catching up in India. Friends, it is said that equities help an investor's long-term wealth creation, especially during inflationary times, and we are seeing such times around us. And hence we do believe that as part of your overall asset allocation, you may look at the ICICI Prudential Nifty 200 Momentum 30 ETF or the ICICI Prudential Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund and choose to basically create a portfolio which will help your long-term wealth creation through these factor-based indices as well as broad market indices, as the case may be. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.